What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the OuttaSpace kitchen. This time it's a kawaii kitchen, because I can cook. During the lockdown, especially in Japan, Twitter went crazy with things that you could do at home and how to cook when you were in ISO. And we found some things that we could cook easily at home. I could do it, then you can do it. We looked through all the recipes and we chose two. Matcha Cheesecake, whoa. Disneyland's, I forget what it's called. The Disney's Chocolate Peanut Butter Banana, Disney's Chocolate Peanut Butter Banana French Toast. So we're gonna be making those in today's episode of OuttaSpace. First thing we're going to start with is with the matcha cheesecake. Link is in the comments for how to make it. You can make it too. I said that earlier, so you should make it. So we're going to compare to what they've done kind of online and then my attempt. Remember to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, because then we can make more content, because then I know the stuff I'm doing is what you like. Please tell me you like it. Matcha cheesecake. We got our instructions on our phone right here. Cream cheese from Woolies, ice cream, whatever flavor you want. We went with matcha as they recommend because we sugar. I'm gonna use dextrose, healthier than regular sugar because it's dextrose, not sucrose, blah, 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 no one cares. Lemon juice, all-purpose flour, cookies. So we got some Oreos that we're just gonna, and butter. There we go. Don't play with knives. This is stupid. Stir it with a whisk, all right. It's working! Oh no. Good enough. Ice cream goes in. The mess begins. The mess that is my life. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Well, look at my mess. Only just started. It's only been 5 minutes. Sugar, lemon juice, and then the flour. The flour, we need 2 tablespoons. So maybe you should use the bigger bowl. Shut the up. You know what, it, using the bigger bowl. Maybe I was supposed to whisk it. Oh well. Let's see how it tastes. All right, now that it's like that consistency, let's get to the next step. Line a microwave safe container or deep dish with a baking sheet. So this is the container we're using right here. And we're going to attempt to pour it in. Ow! Ow, I cut myself right there. There's my thing, my glob. Alright, so we're going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. And hope it doesn't explode then. 4 minutes, this thing. We've removed it from the microwave. There's our little thingy there. It does list the ingredients as having butter in it, but at no point did it say to put the butter in, so maybe we should have put it in with everything else. It looks a bit So at this point we get our aluminium foil, and we're gonna use it to shape the bowl of matcha cake. So we put it in like that, and we're gonna use it to make our little ball thing. There's our attempt at the matcha cake. Look at that. Why, Father, why have you forsaken me? And now we're gonna chuck it in the fridge for a bit. Now we wait to see what kind of horrendous mess I've made. Place the mixture in a toaster oven. Oops. So we're gonna take it out of the freezer. I'm gonna put it on this tray, and we're just gonna leave it in there for a bit till it gets a bit brown. So while we're waiting for that monstrosity, we're going to move on. Now we're gonna move on to the banana bread. Disneyland's Chocolate Peanut Butter Banana French Toast. All right, so what you're gonna need is challah bread, 2 ripe bananas right here, chocolate chips, peanut butter, beaten eggs, need 6 of them, 180 milliliters of low-fat chocolate milk. We got oak. A teaspoon of cinnamon, we got salt here, and powdered sugar, which is icing sugar in Australia. Lightly coat a heat-resistant bowl with butter. So I guess we're putting the bowl into this. But instead, what we're going to use, just go off screen. We're going to use this tray. We're going to use about that much. So we're going to lightly coat it in canola oil instead of that butter that I have sitting right here. Next, cut the bread into cubes. Chop, 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 chop. Next step, cut the bananas. So we're gonna cut them as such, just so we got more bananas. This is now a cooking channel. Add them to the chocolate chips to the bread ball. Okay. Yeah. All right, so then we need to put the chocolate chips in. I swear if it says put it into a mixing bowl, will end. Everyone, add the peanut butter. So it calls for 120 grams of peanut butter. So this is 375. So we'll just be generous with it. Get in there. Oh my God. Ah! Add the peanut butter, beaten eggs. So we're gonna have to beat the eggs. So thanks for telling us beforehand. All right, time to mix it without making a mess. Lol jokes, there's gonna be a mess. Beaten eggs, chocolate milk, cinnamon, and salt, and mix with a blender. We got the blender ready, so yeah. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Fuck. Well, go in, I have to do it this way. Oh no, this is dangerous. Oh, so cinnamony. Oh, teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, sorry. Chocolate milk is 180 milliliters. Here we got 250, so we're just gonna go for gold. Here you go, director son. Hey! It's time to blend this. Let's try not to make a mess. Why, God, why? Oh no, it's splashing everywhere. Now we're gonna put our wets with our dries and dries with our wets, blah, 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 blah. Make everything nice and soaked. Soak up that chocolatey, eggy peanut butterness. We're almost done here. Then we're just gonna put it back into the thing. Not bad. Now we're gonna transfer this mess over to our bowl, and then we're gonna take out the matcha cheesecake and replace it with our French toast. So we're just gonna move that around, spread it over here, chuck some over here. This goes in, matcha comes out. It's gonna be in there for 40 minutes. Oh. Ah, my face. In you go. All right, let's see what we got here. Cheddar. So kind of cheesecakey. So at this point, we're supposed to take it out and chuck it into the fridge. And then after that, we will put some cookies on top of it and we'll see how it tastes. All right, so our 40 minutes have passed. So we'll start with the really nice smelling French toast. Oh, it smells so good. Wowee. Look at that. Wow. It's amazing. Oh, far out. That looks great. I did it right, yes. All right, now we're gonna look at our other thing. This is our matcha cheesecake. All right, let's finish it up. So this one's fine. We'll go with our matcha cake first. So we get some Oreos, because we're gonna sprinkle it on top. Probably didn't need all these biscuits. Good enough. That's what we got. Now with this one, got the powdered sugar, and we're just gonna lightly sprinkle it over. Ooh, look at that. And with that, we're done. There we go. That's our 2 items. In a second, we're gonna give this a taste test and see if it's any good. And then of course, we're gonna see how this one turned out. So we got our little plate here. So we're gonna cut the cake. Inside it doesn't look too bad. There we go. Get some of our choco banana super duper French toast. Some of our matcha cheesecake, let's go. Oh, why did I eat so much? Oh, God damn it. It's not bad. Oh, why does this happen to me? It's more like a caked cheesecake. It's still got the cheesecake taste to it. Other than that, it's all right. Oh my God. All right, time for that Disneyland choco banana bread. Oh, why did I eat so much? Ooh, whoa, look at the steam coming off that one. It's not bad, not bad. Probably need some more banana. Feel that burn. Burn that cake. Not bad. Oh my God. All right, so that's been our Japanese Twitters pandemic isolation food special. Wow, it was cheesecake. Just from one thing I need to reflect on is you need to add the butter to it. So yeah, I'm just really annoyed that they left the butter out of the translations for it. Try to beat mine. Try to beat my cake. Anyone that's been to Disneyland in America and you've made it, let us know in the comments, or let us know if it looks like this. But yeah, this was fun cooking. Might come back again, find some other crazy things online to cook. Thank you for watching today's episode. Remember to like and subscribe, because subscribing helps us grow. Do it now. Remember to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for all our latest updates. And we'll be back on twitch.tv OuttaSpace Plays playing some more video games. Yes, I know. Surprise, surprise, we weren't. But we'll be back playing some more video games very soon. Other than that, we hope to see you in the next video. We'll catch you next time. Bye!